Hi boys and girls, in honor of International Dot Day, we're going to do dots of designs. You will need 9x9 white construction paper or watercolor paper, pencil, black marker, and watercolors or washable markers. Let's start by looking at our color wheel. Here you can see these are some primary colors. The first kind of colors you can mix is you can mix primary colors together like red and yellow, blue and red, blue and yellow. Or you can mix the colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, like yellow and orange, red and orange, purple and red, blue and purple, green and blue, or green and yellow. You can use watercolors or washable markers for the painting part. You can see they look pretty similar. Here's what I did when I used watercolors. You can mix your colors on your paper, but please remember to clean your brush in between. You don't want your paint set to get all muddy. Remember, you can mix colors that are side by side or primary colors. This next part is where I'm using washable markers. You can see I'm coloring the colors sometimes solid and sometimes I'm putting two colors next to each other. Again, following the rules for looking at the color wheel. Colors that are side by side or primary colors. The next step for the markers is to take just water, plain water, and paint over each of the circles, and it'll make the colors mix together and blend out a little bit. Here you can see the markers and the watercolors side by side. Now set your paper aside and let it dry completely, and we'll begin with the markers next week. Here you can see I'm creating floral designs on the watercolor paper. I'm using the marker directly. However, if you're not comfortable with that, then go ahead and use your pencil first and then go over it with your markers. Now I'm creating a variety of different doodles using the marker paper that I had wet. I did some butterflies, some Mexican maracas, oranges, apples, the sun, planets, just doodle. Here's the final of the floral and the doodles. Whatever you do, just be creative and doodle on.